A 3-day fitness extravaganza held under the banner of veteran bodybuilder, actor and former US politician Arnold Schwarzenegger. Calisthenics, strongman, CrossFit and arm wrestling, just some of the 48 sporting codes on show. A new craze, street workout. These fanatics leading the way for a healthy lifestyle. Cheap and accessible. You only need your own body weight and a few bars. At the end of this calisthenics battle, Stanley Halden Hayes was crowned king of the bar.
To other youngsters, I must say that just keep doing what you're doing, and when you pursue something, give it your best and never quit. Don't give up, because just when you want to give up, that's when you need to really keep going, because that's when the blessing comes.
4, 5, 6.
And then there was the battle of the big guns, with some doing bicep curls almost twice their body weight.
It's important to have big guns because the ladies love big guns. Girls for the girls all day long, and it just looks badass in a t-shirt. Woo!
Yes, I do. Everybody should have big guns.
Ring ball, a cousin of netball, is also taking off.
And the ring ball, Mina.
I like playing ring ball. I no longer get bored. When not busy with my schoolwork, I practice.
We are actually the biggest or the first team sport in South Africa, even before netball. So we are busy with a lot of projects on development side.
Raymond Kuhn is yet to find someone who can beat him at the age-old sport of arm wrestling.
I like the aggression, the adrenaline. I like the people that get together, they cheer you on, everything. And I've been wrestling for 2 years now. Nobody beats me.
And plenty of advice on how best to fuel your body.
Nutrients, vitamins, minerals are extremely, extremely important for when you're gymming. It's not just all about going to gym. You've got to feed your body. Your body's a machine.
And for the very serious, career options. It's all about promoting health and fitness amid rising levels of obesity and chronic diseases. Njanje Chauke, SABC News, Johannesburg.